Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over how to add new users to a site. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do before anything is make sure you get a security agreement signed for the new user and sent into our support desk. Once that step is finished, you can have the new user do the following. First, they're going to want to go to the login page for your site, and that's just going to be whatever the URL is for your site with /user at the end. All right, and you'll see here that it brings us to the single sign-on page. Now, typically this is where you would just type in your login credentials if you already have a user account in these fields here. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign up because we're a new user, and we're going to type in our email and our password that we want to use for our user account. And then click sign up when you're done. Now, it looks like I'm in the site, but I'm actually not yet. I don't have any ability to edit anything. So there's a second step in this process, which is to have your website lead assign roles to your new user account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my other account here. And this is going to be what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to click on people. And then you're going to find the new user that's requesting access to the site. You'll click edit under this operations column. And then from here, we get to do a couple things. So first, if you want to change the username, you can. It's just going to automatically grab whatever in the front of the email address right here and place that as username. We can change this to user if we want, or whomever it is going to be. You can ignore these password fields here. The new user already created their password for their account at the single sign-in or single sign-on login page. Make sure that the status is checked to active. And then the main thing you're going to want to do is right here. You're going to want to check the box next to the roles that you want to assign the new user. So maybe I only want this user to edit content. I'll go ahead and click Content Editor. We do have user guides that go more in depth into what each of these user roles can do. So please check those out if you're not sure. What I'm going to do now is scroll down to the bottom here. And of course you can, kind of set up whatever you want at the bottom. Let's go ahead and add a name like so. And when I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and click save. All right, and now you'll see that the new user has a role assigned to them. If you assign multiple roles, you'll see all the roles here. And if I go to the other user account that was just created and reload the page, you'll see that now I actually have these editing tabs at the top here, so I can choose different menu options to actually add content and create content on the site.